Welcome back to another exploration of science and philosophy. So far, we've looked at nothingness, time, the cosmos, consciousness, and even the strange world of quantum physics. But today, we turn to a question that feels both scientific and deeply personal. Are we alone? In this episode, we'll explore three great mysteries about life in the universe. Why haven't we found aliens yet? The Fermi paradox. Could life exist without carbon, built on a different chemistry? And what might happen if humanity itself becomes an interstellar civilization? Three questions, three glimpses into the search for life beyond Earth. Let's begin. Part 1, the Fermi paradox. Where is everybody? The universe is enormous. There are over 100 billion stars in our galaxy and billions of galaxies beyond. Many of those stars have planets. Some planets are in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. With so many chances for life, you might think the galaxy should be full of civilizations. Yet we see no clear signs, no radio messages, no giant structures, no visitors. This puzzle is called the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who once asked, "Where is everybody?" You might ask, so why don't we see aliens? There are many possible answers. 1, life is rare. Maybe the conditions for life are far less common than we think. 2, intelligence is rare. Microbes might be everywhere, but complex civilizations almost never form. 3, civilizations are fragile. They may rise but destroy themselves before spreading across the stars. 4, they are out there, but silent. Perhaps advanced civilizations choose not to reveal themselves. 5, we're too early. Maybe we are among the first, and the galaxy will only fill with life billions of years from now. The Fermi paradox is not just about aliens. It's also a mirror, asking whether humanity itself can avoid disappearing before reaching the stars. But even if life exists elsewhere, would it look like us at all? Or could it be built on a completely different foundation? Part 2. Could life exist without carbon? All life on Earth is carbon-based. Carbon atoms form the backbone of DNA, proteins, and cells. Carbon's ability to bond in complex ways makes it perfect for building life. But is carbon the only option? Some scientists imagine silicon-based life. Silicon is right below carbon on the periodic table, and it can also form chains and structures. Perhaps somewhere out there, on a hot, rocky world, silicon creatures thrive. Others speculate about life in exotic forms, ammonia-based, sulfur-based, or even life that uses plasma or magnetic fields instead of chemistry. You might ask, but if alien life were so different, would we even recognize it? That's the challenge. We often search for life that looks like ours: water, oxygen, carbon. But truly alien life might not match our expectations. It could exist in oceans of methane or inside the atmospheres of gas giants, invisible to our current tools. The universe might be full of life, but life so strange we don't yet have the language to describe it. And if we find it, or even if we don't, what about us? What will humanity itself become as we reach beyond Earth? Part 3, humanity as an interstellar civilization. Let's imagine humanity's future. Right now, we are a Type 0 civilization on the Kardashev scale, using only a fraction of our planet's energy. A Type 1 civilization uses all the energy of its planet. Type 2 captures the power of an entire star. Type 3 spans a galaxy. What would it mean for us to rise along this scale? First, colonizing our solar system. Bases on Mars, mining asteroids, cities orbiting Earth. Then perhaps sending probes to nearby stars. Eventually, ships carrying humans or our AI descendants to new worlds. You might ask, but isn't interstellar travel impossible? It's extremely difficult. The distances are vast. But concepts like fusion drives, light sails, and even wormholes are being studied. And if life is rare, then maybe it is humanity's destiny to spread it. Yet with this dream comes responsibility. To become an interstellar civilization, we must first survive our own challenges: climate change, war, technology risks. The Fermi paradox warns us, many civilizations may never pass this test. If we succeed, though, we may become the answer to the paradox ourselves, the ones who fill the galaxy with life. Outro. So today we asked three questions about life in the universe. Why don't we see aliens? Maybe they're rare, silent, or gone. Could life exist without carbon? Possibly, in forms we can barely imagine. And what about us? If we survive, we may one day carry life among the stars. Whether we are alone or not, the search for life shapes how we see ourselves. And maybe the real question is not just where is everybody, but what will we choose to become?